Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all well and having a great day. If you're new around here, my name's Amanda. I post weekly videos on lifestyle, motherhood, DIY and a little bit of everything really. I do like a shopping haul, so you probably find quite a few shopping hauls on my channel, and today's video is going to be an Ikea haul. It's going to be an Ikea haul and also a couple of homeware items from Aldi that I can't wait to show you. So let's get straight to it this time. There was two reasons why I went to Ikea this time actually. Was to look for a bed for Oakley and to also pick up these photo frames which are just behind me here for our room, because we're going to be doing like a remodel or a, we're going to do like a revamp, God I can never get the word, a revamp, a makeover of our room, and we really wanted to get some frames. I've ordered some pictures which are on their way and I'm so excited about that. That's going to be another video. Okay, so this is the frame here. I'm not very good at pronouncing the Ikea names, but this frame I think is the KNOPPANG. I think I've got that right. The KNOPPANG frames. So I really wanted to get them in black. We've been back to Ikea several times, but they've always been out of stock. So you know me, I had an idea that I can probably just spray paint the frames black. We got them in the size 40 by 50 centimeters. To be fair, before we went to Ikea, we had all the measurements for the frames written down. But when we got to Ikea, the measurements just went out the window. Because it's so big in Ikea, everything just looks so shrink down. So when I'm looking at these now, the 40 by 50, they look quite huge. So we picked up the size 40 by 50, like I said. And we also got the same frames in the size 30 by 40. You know, because we just couldn't make our minds up. I was confused, hubby was confused, so we said, you know what, let's just get the 30 by 40 in it as well. So we picked up 3 of the 30 by 40 frames as well. To be fair, these are quite nice frames. There's no glass in them, it's actually perspex. They've got a really nice beveled edge on them, which I really like. I would actually link these in the description box as well below, so you can go ahead and go on Ikea website and have a look at them, because they are very nice frames. So, okay, so we got those. Okay, so next up, one of the first items that I saw as I came up the escalator was these trailing eucalyptus plants, and I absolutely love them. Now I picked up 2 of them. They come under the I'm not even going to try and say the names. I'm just going to list them up here so you can see. But I absolutely love these, and these I think were £6. You can see the detail on it. And it's very similar to my go-to eucalyptus plant that I've got up in Primark. But I just absolutely love the fact that these are trailing. And I've got a DIY plan for this with some Poundland items as well. So I know exactly where I'm going to place this in my room. Love that. Okay, I did pick up a few faux flowers. I must say, I am trying to get into the real flowers. We've got like a few real plants downstairs in the living room, but places like Ikea, they just do it for you, don't they? I mean, look how gorgeous these eucalyptus faux plants look, you know. So I am trying to get into the real plants, but the faux plants are just doing it for me as well right now. But anyways, I also picked up these. I'm going to take them out the packet. You get a set of 3 faux plants for £4, which is absolutely fantastic. I must say they are small. Just take them out the packet here. You can see the size of them. You get an idea of the size. And just places around the house. I really like them. So we got those. Okay, so next up I picked up these flowers. Now to be fair, I was actually going for the pink ones of these, but I thought I'd keep it quite neutral, you know. These are called, again, I'm not going to try and pronounce it, I'll put the name up here, and I absolutely love these. You get 2 small flowers and then you get this larger flower here, and I absolutely love these. So I picked up 3 bunches of these, and these were £1.50 each. Love those. Okay, so next up, this item was much needed like a few days ago because it was so hot here in London, and I really needed something just to put my drinks in and just have it on tap, literally have it on tap. So I picked this one up in Ikea. It's a drinks dispenser. I absolutely love it, and like I said, this would have come in much handy a few days ago when we had that boiling hot weather here in London. But we've still got a good amount of weeks for summer, and I was thinking Christmas we can actually put some mulled wine in here as well. So I got this, and this was £13 in Ikea. And next up I picked up these vanilla Tealight candles. I find that the vanilla candles can go with any kind of mood, so I always get these when I go in Ikea. Get 30 Tealight candles, I think for £1.50 or something along those lines. But I absolutely love these, and I don't know what it is about the Ikea vanilla candles, but they smell like no other vanilla candles, if you get what I mean. You know, I've tried like the B&M ones, I've tried the Poundland ones, I've tried the Home Bargain ones, but the Ikea ones just smell They just smell like, they've got that vanilla scent, but they've also got like a touch of, I think they've got a touch of almond in them as well, which I absolutely love. So we got those. Okay, so next up from Ikea, we picked up another one of these bathroom or shower room organisers. I'll put a picture of how it looks just over here, because as you can see, I've still got it in the box. But we do actually have one of these already in our shower room and also in the bathroom. But the one in the bathroom is actually broken. Some of the screws have come off and the shelves keep moving. So what I'm going to do is swap the shower room one for this one and take the one from the shower room and put it into the bathroom. How they're making these now, they're making them a little bit taller and a little bit more narrower as well. So, you know, a little bit more compact, I should say. So I've got this, and the name of this one is the Bro Grand. So we got this to sort of help us get organised in the shower room. Okay, so next up from Ikea, I picked up two of these glass jars. Now, anytime I've been into Ikea, it's something that I've always looked at but never picked up. But this time I thought, why not? Let me just get them, you know. Yes, so I thought these can come in handy for, like, you know, storage in the kitchen, like cookies and so on. So I got two of them and I absolutely love them. And what I also thought, something like this, you know, I've done the Poundland DIY. If you haven't seen that, I'll put the card just up here for you to have a look at it. It turned out really amazing. So I thought, I know I did actually spray paint two of the actual candle holders, but look how this looks together on here. Absolutely stunning. And so, you know, I don't know if I'm going to actually stick it on there, but that's an option if any of you guys want to do it, you know. So yep, so I got these and I absolutely love them. Okay, so that was the Ikea items. Now I'm going to show you a few homeware items that I picked up in Aldi, and they're absolutely amazing. I was actually going to wait to do an Aldi grocery shopping haul and then add the homeware items on the end like I normally do, but I just couldn't wait to show you these items, so I'm adding it to this Ikea haul. So I hope you can appreciate that. So let me show you the first item that I got in Aldi. Now, I did actually pick up these frames before in Aldi, but in the black. They had these in the reduced section. They've gone down to £2.49, I think it was, or £1.99 for the two frames. They hold 5x7 inch images, so I thought I'd get those, you know, they're reduced. And the same as the black ones that I showed you before on my Aldi haul. Got like a slight pattern around the side there and a little beveled edge as well. And they're very similar to the Ikea ones that I've just shown you as well. So, you know, I'm either going to use the black ones of these, or what I'm going to do, I'm not actually going to spray paint the Ikea frames until the prints arrive, because I might not need to do that. So yeah, I might end up keeping them white, you know. So if I keep them white, we'll just go with the white theme, and I'll use these frames as well in the bedroom. So next up from Aldi, they had miniature versions of their hotel collection home fragrance. So I picked up this small one. This is the #1 candle, which is the lime, basil and mandarin, but it's in the smaller size. So this is in the 140 gram. Absolutely love these sort of Jo Malone kind of dupes. And then also I picked up the mini reed diffuser as well. And what I like about the Aldi reed diffusers, well, the hotel collection reed diffusers, you get the black reeds with them that makes the actual product look more high-end. So I absolutely love that. It's a little miniature bottle of the same fragrance, lime, basil and mandarin, but in the reed diffuser. And these were £1.99 each. I've got these actually to make up a gift set actually for a friend of mine. So yeah, so I don't know if I'm going to film it. I might film it because it's going to be quite a nice gift set. So I might film it, I might not, but you know, make sure your notification bells are switched on just in case. There's one other item that I picked up in Aldi, and it's this large bath tray. Now, I've been after one of these for ages, you know, and Aldi had these in around 2 weeks ago, and I was very, honestly, I'm so lucky with Aldi, because I really wanted to get one of these when they first came out, and I didn't actually get it at the time, but I went in there the other day and they had one left. So you've got that area there where you can put a candle. You got this bit here where you can put your book, and you can put like a glass of wine here. It extends quite a lot, to be fair with you. I've got it at the closed position and it still kind of goes over my bath a little bit more. It's actually bamboo wood that makes it even more nicer. Now I'm just going to get some out. Okay, so I've just put some bits together on the bar stand to show you how it looks. So you can have a glass of wine, you can have a nice book reading in the bath, and a lovely fragrance candle. This is the standard hotel collection candle from Aldi. It's the lime, basil and mandarin one as well. And look how, I mean, this looks absolutely gorgeous, doesn't it, like that? You know, you can even have a plate of strawberries or, you know, whatever you fancy. but I don't know why I'm holding like that. I might just hold it like this. So look how gorgeous this looks. Absolutely amazing. Love that. Okay, so that was my IKEA and Aldi homeware haul. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified of when I post my next videos. And also, please comment on which items was your favourite. I like interacting with you all. I like chatting with you all. You know, I've had some amazing comments on my videos, so I really appreciate all of your comments. So thank you so much for that. And thank you so much for watching. So see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.